For today's video, I have a thrift store haul. So these items are from Goodwill and also from Habitat for Humanity Restore. So let's go ahead and start off with this item right here. For $1.99, this palm tree candle. I thought that was really cute for our tiki bar. Very bright palm trees and then kind of a pink, peachy, orangey color for the rest of this. Hasn't been used, so that is a cool find. And I think these were only like $2.49 each. The bags, this looks like, whoa, neon green. This is actually like a banana yellow, and I thought this would be really fun to wear in the summer on the beach. And then new with tags, Briarwood Lane, this cute tote. Now I'm not usually a big fan of like flip-flop prints or things, but the colors are just so bright and fun with this one. And for $3 at the Restore, this really heavy gift box shaped box. I love jewelry boxes that are shaped like gift boxes with the bows on them. I just think they're a lot of fun, and I have kind of like a little collection of those going. But wow, this is really heavy, so that was a cool find as well. And we do have a small collection of milk glass going. I've always found it kind of interesting since I was a child. So they have these beautiful like teacups with the grapes, and then this, and I guess you can put this right here in the middle, so that won't just move around super easy, and then put your snacks or something right here. But that was really cool. These were only $1 a piece, $1 a piece. So we got 2 plates and 2 cups. So that is everything for today's thrift store haul.